Greetings everyone. Today's video is on Beetroot Pachadi. This video shows how to easily prepare this Beetroot Pachadi, which is one of the most important items in a traditional Kerala Sadya. So welcome everyone to a new video from Chef Joji. To prepare the Beetroot Pachadi, I have taken one beetroot. Now let's cut it. First I am cutting off the top part. Now let's peel off its skin. After peeling the skin, slice it thinly like this. Now I'm slicing the beetroot that was sliced earlier into long strips. Now turn it and chop it very finely. All the beetroot has been chopped. We need to chop it very finely. Now let's wash it and set it aside. To prepare the Beetroot Pachadi, I took a frying pan. When the pan is hot, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, I'm adding 2 finely chopped green chilies. Now I'm adding 5 finely chopped shallots. Mix this and roast it slightly. When the shallots turn soft, add the chopped beetroot. Now mix everything together well and roast it on a slow flame. If you roast it on a slow flame, covered, it will be ready quickly. At this time, let's take the small jar of the mixer. Into this, I'm taking about 1½ cups of grated coconut. We can add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now using the mixer, let's grind it into a fine paste. Now let's open the beetroot. The beetroot has boiled well. At this time, let's add the paste we have ground. I am pouring a little water into the mixer jar and adding that water to it as well. Now let's mix all this together. At this time, I'm adding salt as needed for the pachadi. Mix it again. Now let's cook it until all the water evaporates. So friends, if you like this video, I would like to remind you to like, comment, and share it. Please help this video reach as many people as possible. Now all the water has evaporated. It is roasted well. Now we can remove it from the stove and let it cool. I had transferred the beetroot to another vessel. Now it has cooled down completely. Its heat is all gone. Now we need to add curd to this. We're adding thick curd, that is, unbroken curd. When preparing pachadi, you should always add thick curd. Now let's mix it well. I have added approximately 250 ml of curd here. If more curd is needed, you can add it accordingly. You should use it according to the sourness of the curd. If the curd is too sour, be careful to add less. Taste the pachadi and add salt if needed. Now into 1½ tablespoons of coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dried red chilies, and a sprig of curry leaves. Fry them and add them on top and mix it well again. When preparing pachadi, you should make it this thick, because after a while, it will loosen up a little more. So we have very easily made Beetroot Pachadi, which is one of the main items in a Kerala Sadya. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. I would like to remind you to watch all of them. So I will be back with a new video soon. Until then, bye-bye.